Good day, everybody. Welcome to the 30th of November. Tomorrow's December 1st. We're going to have our Castaic real estate update for today, and it's just going to be about as exciting as a fart in church because we do have the Thanksgiving week. Not a lot goes on in real estate, but today I see over 100 open houses that have been posted in Santa Clarita Valley. You can find those at santaclaritaopenhouses.com. In addition, just got the first hard copies of my paperback, How to Buy and Sell Real Estate in Santa Clarita, California. This has been updated for 2025, so please check it out online. And of course, if you buy the book and you need to be compensated for that in the future, use this in real estate. It's not going to be a problem, so please don't panic about that. But I did have to pay for printing costs and to put together the book and get it edited and so on. So please look at that, and I hope it does serve you well. It's how I instruct my buyers and sellers when it comes to real estate, and not so much instruct, that's probably a horrible word, but educate my buyers and sellers, because a lot of people going in, even if they sold, and even if they've sold and bought a lot of real estate in the past, the market's so dynamic, it changes on a daily basis. And then you have the big settlement that happened against the attorneys there in, it's coming to me, Missouri versus the National Association of Realtors. That had a trickle down effect. So we're seeing some different things online regarding the commission structures and what's being offered. But as far as the 7-day in Castaic, no coming soon, no new listings have been posted the last 7 days. There have been 4 price changes. That's indicative of the market. This time of year, properties are sitting on there 30, 40, 50 days not selling. Sellers typically have a strategic price reduction at that time to try to move that property. Now, looking at the entire Santa Clarita Valley, to give you that quick update, then I'll get into the sold stuff in Castaic, California. 2 coming soon. 21 new listings have been posted in the past 7 days. 33 properties have had their prices changed. That's quite a big number in comparison to the previous weeks. We're seeing, as we get closer to the end of the year, those price changes are becoming much more prevalent on the market. Active under contract properties, 19. We had 12 properties actually go back onto the market after having been in escrow. Typically, that's not a seller issue or a house issue. A lot of time that's a buyer financing issue. So buyers are actually going out there and maybe opening new lines of credit, or even, believe it or not, paying something off prior to getting their lender's blessing on that. And if you are going to get your lender's blessing on anything off or changing anything financially, please do yourself a favor and back that up in writing. This past weekend, Castaic showcases a slower but highly focused market. No new listings came online, but the market has seen the 4 price reductions. That does signal opportunities for buyers to negotiate better deals. Sellers should be aware of the current pricing trends to stay competitive. You can monitor all of those at santaclaritaopenhouses.com. It's my site. You're not going to be asked to give up any personal information. You're not going to be forced to give up any personal information. Feel free to look. You'll see everything there. If you choose to reach out to me on the site, great. Love to talk to you and help you figure it out. Closed sales, 7 homes sold in the last week. It's clear that buyers are actively finalizing deals, but proper pricing is crucial to attract offers. We do see the price reductions and those adjustments. That reflects the need for realistic pricing in a shifting market. These adjustments highlight a window for buyers to enter negotiations. And of course, with 1 active under contract and 2 pending in Castaic, inventory does remain tight, pushing buyers to act quickly when they see the right home. A lot of times, if it is priced correctly, enters the market, it doesn't last but a day or 2 before it gets into escrow. So make sure you're getting a look at these properties early on. As far as buyers go, the 4 properties in Castaic that reduce their prices, that does mean motivated sellers are open to negotiation. If you're pre-qualified and ready, now's the time to secure a deal before the holidays. Right now, if you closed, probably, if your lender's on the mark and nobody's going on vacation, the people that you're trusting to handle your transaction, usually you can get this closed by Christmas. Depends on the type of loan, though. FHA and VA might require a little bit more time, but please ask your professional and see what they say. As far as sellers go, make sure that you are definitely priced competitively. Homes are closing, but the market's showing that price adjustments are happening more frequently. Proper initial pricing avoids long days on market and price cuts. Active buyers are out there. 7 closed transactions a week. That's a lot. The demand in Castaic's evident. A well-marketed home can definitely sell quickly. And looking at the median sales prices, average days on market, these are very much condensed, so we still have properties moving at quite a fast pace. We're going to see that break into the next year, but there's always that question, should I wait or should I sell now? Right now, holidays, buyers are very serious. Right now for buyers during the holidays, sellers are serious. Next year, that competition is going to go up for both of you, both buyers and sellers, because that's a typical market time of year in the first quarter, beginning of second quarter, and into the third. So we're going to see it change dynamically. Plus, there's going to be a new president in place. That's probably going to change things. If you look at those financial markets, whether you voted for him or not, those financial markets are definitely becoming better overall. So that's probably going to be the same in the real estate world next year. Now, if the government gets its wish, or the president, I should say, rates will probably come down a little bit next year. That's also going to kick off a high buyer curve, but also sellers as well. That's going to make a lot of sellers get off the fence in Castaic and the rest of Santa Clarita and Southern California, wanting to get their real estate on the market, get them marketed, and get those buyers in there to have a look. When you're looking online, if you're being asked for your personal information before they're going to give you any of that information, I would throw caution to the wind. Every site without ads is posted, every listing that's on websites out there is posted at SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. Please feel free to have a look. Let me know when I can help. I'm here. I'm Connor with Honor. Happy Saturday. I'll be back tomorrow for the overall view of Santa Clarita Valley and also a breakdown of Acton and Agua Dulce. It's my honor. We'll talk to you all soon. Be well.